Hi everyone, this is the Pool Hygiene Doctor, and in today's episode we'll discuss, is there a correct order to add your pool chemicals? Most pool owners don't realize there is a proper way to add their pool chemicals. Since many chemicals work together, it is important to understand the correct order to save you time and money. Before adding chemicals, be sure to test for pH, alkalinity, free chlorine, stabilizer or CYA, and calcium. First, test your pool water for alkalinity. Alkalinity works closely with pH, so adjusting one may help take care of the other. Rather than spending money at the pool store, go out and buy some baking soda to increase your alkalinity. Lowering the alkalinity will involve alkalinity decreaser or muriatic acid. Second, balance your pH. This should be easier after adjusting the alkalinity. Lower the pH with muriatic acid or raise the level with soda ash. Next, adjust your sanitizer. This could be chlorine or bromine or whatever you use to sanitize your pool. Having your pH balanced will help your sanitizer work better. Using a granular or liquid sanitizer will raise your sanitizer levels faster than if you just use tablets. The fourth step is to balance your stabilizer or cyanuric acid. CYA helps to hold chlorine in your pool. If you use tablets or stabilized granules, your stabilizer levels may be fine. Finally, adjust your calcium. Water that is too hard or too soft can damage your pool walls as well as the working parts of your system. It's important for new pool owners to pay close attention to their calcium levels. If you found this information helpful and would like to keep your pool healthy, then drown the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any further content. Thanks for listening to the Pool Hygiene Doctor, and I'll see you at the pool.